What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can use Microsoft Copilot. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So here on your desktop, just click on the Microsoft Copilot icon on your taskbar, and it is going to bring you to the Copilot. And alternatively, you can press Windows key and C on your keyboard, and it is going to open Copilot. Now here you might ask, what is Copilot? So actually we can ask Copilot for that. So let's say, what is Microsoft Copilot? And let's hit enter. So here it says Microsoft Copilot is an AI companion designed to enhance productivity, creativity, and connectivity across various Microsoft applications. So basically, Microsoft Copilot is your AI companion for your Microsoft apps. All right, so here, what can we do with Microsoft Copilot? So actually, it can do whatever ChatGPT can do. So say, for example, you can say, show me a code of a simple calculator using Python. Okay, and hit enter. And here it is going to show you a code for a simple calculator using Python programming language. So you can ask pretty much anything you can ask here as you would on ChatGPT. Now, not only for text, you can actually ask for image. So here, for example, you can say, generate an image of a cat playing the drums. Okay, and hit enter. Alright, so here as you can see, it is trying to generate 4 images. So let's wait for a little bit. And here you go. You can click on it to make it bigger. And you can scroll through the 4 pictures generated in here so we can see a cat playing the drums. Alright, so if you click on this icon here that shows open in Windows Microsoft Edge, it is going to open in a web browser using Microsoft Edge. So this is quite interesting. You can go ahead and click on plugins, and here you can actually extend the usability of Microsoft Copilot. So here you can turn on search, so it is going to be enabled on your search bar. And also you have integrations with Instacart, Kayak, Klarna, and so on. But one of my favorites here is the integration with Suno. So let's click on new topic and let's toggle on Suno. So with Suno, you can actually turn your ideas into a music. So aside from that, you can also use Microsoft Copilot with Microsoft 365. So say for example here, let's go ahead and open up Word document. And here, let's try and open up a random document here. Let's try this one. Now, we notice that we have a button here that says Copilot. So what you can do with this one, say for example, let's highlight this one and let's click on the Copilot icon here and let's click on Make Changes. So here you can say, make this more professional. And let's click on Generate. So here we can see that it gives us a suggestion, and this sounds more professional than what we have written earlier. So this is how you can use Copilot with Microsoft Word. Now let's go ahead and let's take a look at how we can use this on Microsoft presentation or PowerPoint presentation. And here we can see the Copilot. So let's just click on this icon right here. And when it loads up, you can go ahead and make a prompt. Say, for example, you can say, make a 10-slide presentation about global warming. Okay, and press enter. So let's just give it a few seconds to generate. Alright, so just like that, we can see that it generated slides with outlines also, and this is all about global warming. Now with this one, you can go ahead and click on one slide and go to designer, and you can edit what you want to do or how you want this presentation to look like. All right, So that's how you can use Copilot with PowerPoint. Now let's go ahead and try to use Copilot with Microsoft Excel. So let's go ahead and have a blank workbook. And let's say, for example, let's talk about buildings, for example. Okay. So we have a school, we have, let's say, market, and say we have a house. And let's try to put how many people are in these buildings. So let's say number of people. All right, so for school, let's say there are 2,000 people in the school. Let's say there are 1,000 people in the market. And let's say there are only 5 people inside a house. Okay, like so. All right, now we can use Copilot for easy tasks in here and even for some complicated ones too. So let's go ahead and click on Copilot. And say, for example, here you want to say which building has the most people. Okay, and hit enter. Alright, so here it returns a result that says the school building has the most people with a total of 2,000. Alright, so these are simple things you can do with Excel using Copilot, but you can actually go on with more complex tasks using Microsoft Copilot. Now with this one, for example, we can also say generate a graph with this data. Alright, so here we can see that it also generated a graph. So if you don't like this kind of bar graph, you can actually say use pie chart, for example. Okay, let's hit enter. Alright, and there you have it. You can also insert this one into your sheet. Just click on add to a new sheet, and it is going to be added into a new sheet. Alright, so these are just the basic things that you can do with Microsoft Copilot. You can explore more uses of it when you go to Microsoft 365, and you will be glad to know that there are plenty of apps that you can use with Microsoft Copilot in Microsoft 365. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.